Did you know that a person can go out, a light can go out, and a pair of jeans can go out? Phrasal verbs are not easy, but I'm here today to help you remember them. Let's learn together. Hey guys, it's Michael here from Happy English, and I'm back with another phrasal verb English lesson. Today, I'm going to show you 6 different ways that we use the phrasal verb go out. Yeah, 6 different meanings for one phrasal verb. That sounds crazy, but it's true. And this is vocabulary that you can really use in your everyday English conversations. I know from firsthand experience that trying to remember vocabulary is not easy. Vocabulary is easy to learn, but it's not so easy to remember. I'm actually going to help you learn this vocabulary and get to the point that you can actually remember it and use it. Remember, learning vocabulary and actually remembering that vocabulary takes hard work and a good system. And don't worry, this is not one of those, "This is the secret to memorizing vocabulary." That's why I've created my free vocabulary and phrasal verb workshop, and I would love for you to check it out. In that workshop, I'm going to show you my system for learning and, most importantly, remembering vocabulary. And it's the same system that I use when I study Japanese and try to remember Japanese vocabulary. I'm sure that watching this workshop is really going to help you improve your English. So just visit myhappyenglish.com/workshop to sign up. It's absolutely free, and I've got a free PDF guide that you can download when you sign up for the workshop. I really think you're going to get a lot out of it, and I hope to see you there. And now, let's take a look at the 6 different ways that we use the phrasal verb go out. First of all, we use go out when we talk about a light or electric power stopping. We're having a hurricane tomorrow, and I really hope that the power doesn't go out. Last night, the light went out in the bathroom just as I was about to take a shower. We also use go out when we talk about going to social events, like you go out to the theater or you go out to dinner. I miss going out to dinner. I hope this pandemic ends soon. Hey, check this out. I heard that Oscar and Mika went out to the movies last night. Oh, I don't like gossip. Next, we use go out to talk about departing or leaving from a place. I slept in last Saturday and I didn't go out until after 1 p.m. Elena was busy studying for her exams and she didn't go out the whole week. We also use go out to talk about people who are dating each other on a regular basis. Hey, I heard a rumor that Noah and Raina are going out. Is that true? I don't know about dating Jenny. I think she only goes out with rich guys. We also use go out when we talk about something that stops being fashionable or popular. Bell-bottom jeans went out in the 1980s. Tommy is 50 years old and he's still trying to be a rock and roll star. Doesn't he know that rock and roll went out a couple of years ago? And finally, we use the phrase go all out. When a person goes all out, it means that they work really hard to achieve or obtain something or to do something. Tammy went all out to study for her exam and she got a great score. Mike went all out for his mom's 90th birthday party and everyone had a great time. Here's something before I go out. Why don't you take 1 or 2 of these meanings of go out, write an original sentence, and drop it down into the comments below. I'd love to see your sentences. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Remember to leave your comments below, and I'll catch you guys next time right here at Happy English. Catch you later.